Let us discuss difference between the state and society. Everybody knows that the man is a social animal and the man is also a political animal. So, a society and state, there are two different connotations. What are the differences or distinctions between the state and society? Let us discuss bit by bit. The father of political science, Aristotle, and other early Greek thinkers do not make any distinction between state and society. This was due to the peculiar circumstances prevailing in the Greek city states. The city state, being a small and compact body, in, included activities of the whole life of man. The citizens knew one another personally and met together in common associations to pass laws, to common assemblies to pass laws, one another pass laws and choose magistrates. The 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 peculiarities or the problems or the irregularities facing them was very simple in nature, in character. The city to them was the state. The church and the school all are in one. Today, however, no such identification be possible. Definitely, we should discuss why such identification should not be possible. Because, in words of MacIver, the talented or distinguished political scientist, to identify the school with the political is to be guilty of the grossest of all confusions, which completely have any undefined of either state or society. The state exists within the society, but it is not even the form of a society. Interpreted strictly, the state is a political signification, a political institution, or a political organization. It is a society politically organized. It is different from society, both structurally as well as functionally. The first difference between the state and society may be in point of time, society is prior to the state. The people lived in society much before the state emerged. Number two, state is organized. Society may be organized or unorganized. The primitive society was unorganized, but the state is always organized. Number three, society exercises authority largely through customs and persuasions. The state exercises authority through laws and certain through laws and coercion. The state at one can legitimately use force. Number four, state is a territorial organization. While a society does not occupy any definite territory, a society may extend to the whole world. It may be international, like the Red Cross Society. Number five, a society embraces the whole life of a man and all those ties which bind together, which bind men together. But the state is concerned only with those social relationships but express themselves through government. The state cannot regulate every form of social conduct. The last point, that is number six, the membership of the state is compulsory but not so of the society. Thus, state is a structure and not co-eval and co-existent or co-extensive with society, but built within it as a determinate order for the for the attainment of social ends. The importance of a state to society is brought about by Edmund Barker, the another political thinker, when he says society is held together by the state, and if it were not thus held together, it could not exist. So this is the main difference between state and society. However, the society is a larger body, but the state is within the society. The state exists in the society. Society consists of customs, traditions, usages, practices, and such traditions, usages, customs should be regulated by the state. State is a political organization. State is a state is such an organization which exercises coercion, which controls the manpower, which exercises laws and regulations for bringing out the perfect discipline within the state. So these are the differences between state and society. Thank you.